Hi, and welcome to Knowledge Crates. Okay, so have you ever stopped to think about how simple machines can make everyday tasks easier? In our newest elementary unit study, Explore Simple Machines, kids will dive into that exact question. With the included Simple Machines Experiment Kit by Thames Kosmos, they'll get hands-on experience building real working models, turning abstract concepts like levers, pulleys, and gears into something they can see, touch, and really understand. With step-by-step instructions and everything they need inside the box, kids start small. They learn how pulleys lift heavy objects and how levers reduce effort. Each model gives them a chance to see these powerful concepts really come to life. But as they build, kids aren't just snapping pieces together. They're testing, adjusting, and thinking just like an engineer. This is hands-on STEM learning where curiosity really leads the way. In this video, we're building a model that shows how gears transfer motion. We'll explore how one movement can set another in motion, just like real machines. This makes it easy to understand force, motion, and mechanical advantage in a way that worksheets never could. Each project builds confidence and strengthens critical thinking skills. Plus, it's just plain fun. This kit includes 26 model builds, from ramps and screws to more complex multi-machine systems. It's all designed to give your kids a solid foundation in how things work. But the best part is they get to do it from the comfort of their own kitchen table. Because at Knowledge Crates, we believe that learning should feel like discovery. And with simple machines, your child will see that even the biggest jobs can be done, one small step at a time.